Hey! Welcome back to Innovative Creator. Remember when Cooper and Tars took a plunge into the black hole Gargantua? Somehow, they made it back, and humanity survived. But in reality, you can't survive a trip through a black hole. If that massive gravitational pull were centered around the Earth, it would be disastrous. NASA's recent warning about a black hole's position could be devastating. Join us as we discuss the cataclysmic event that could change the course of human history forever. Will we be able to survive this ominous force, or is this the end of humanity as we know it? NASA has just unveiled the existence of a strong gravitational pull wreaking havoc across the vast expanses of the universe. This runaway black hole is tearing through intergalactic space at breakneck speed. According to NASA, it moves so fast that it could travel from Earth to the Moon in a mere 14 minutes. The supermassive black hole has left behind an ominous trail of stars, a haunting contrail that spans a staggering 200,000 light-years. To put that into perspective, that's twice the size of our own Milky Way galaxy. It's hard to wrap your head around the cosmic threats that can change the course of our planet, especially since our knowledge is a mix of scientific facts and Christopher Nolan movies. But all things considered, black holes are bad news. If you've been uninterested in the lives of black holes, let us enlighten you about them so you can start worrying about this supermassive threat on the loose. Scientists are still hard at work trying to uncover the truth behind these behemoths. According to some, a black hole is born when a massive cloud of gas collapses under its own weight. We're talking cosmically colossal here, up to 100,000 times the mass of the Sun. Others believe that when a huge star dies and goes supernova, the remaining mass of this fallen giant, if substantial enough, collapses in on itself under the crushing force of its gravity. What emerges from this cosmic dance of destruction? A black hole, a mysterious void that can be 5 to 50 times the mass of our Sun. No matter how they come into being, black holes are fearsome and awe-inspiring. They are monstrous entities characterized by an insatiable appetite for gas and dust, which they swallow up with a gravitational pull so strong that not even light can escape. Black holes are the ultimate force of gravity, pulling in everything that comes within their reach, from stars to entire galaxies. Despite all our efforts to understand them, these cosmic phenomena remain shrouded in mystery, hiding their secrets behind a veil of darkness that even the most advanced technology can't penetrate. Scientists have observed explosions of light from black holes whenever they consume a star. When an unfortunate star gets close to the gravitational pull of a black hole, there's no escape. The gravitational grasp of these cosmic bodies is so strong that it rips through a star's physical makeup of gases, emitting radiation so dangerous that no human being can survive in its vicinity. But that's not all. Black holes also push into the gas in front of them, creating a narrow corridor of new star formation. At the very end of this galactic column lurks a remarkably bright knot of ionized oxygen, marking the black hole's final frontier. According to Peter Van Dokkum of Yale University, what we're witnessing is the aftermath of the black hole's wake. The enigma deepens as scientists struggle to decipher the mystery behind the black hole's wake. Is it the result of gas being shocked and heated from its supersonic motion, or could it be the accretion disk around the black hole causing a deadly radiation storm? The gas in front of the black hole gets shocked and heated due to its unimaginable velocity, but the details of this cosmic carnage are shrouded in obscurity. The universe works in mysterious ways, and serendipity led intrepid astronomers to uncover a celestial secret beyond their wildest imagination. This extraordinary event is so rare that even NASA stumbled upon it accidentally, courtesy of the Hubble Space Telescope. Van Dokkum himself was on the hunt for globular star clusters in a nearby dwarf galaxy when he chanced upon the invisible monster's trail of stars. The sheer brightness and uniqueness of this galactic spectacle are quite astonishing, says Van Dokkum. At first, he thought it was a measly cosmic ray hitting the camera detector and causing a linear imaging artifact. But wait, it gets more intriguing. Even after eliminating cosmic rays, the enigmatic streak remained, defying all explanation. It was like nothing Van Dokkum and his team had ever seen before, fueling their curiosity and compelling them to dig deeper. Thus, they embarked on a perilous journey of spectroscopy with the W.M. Keck observatories in Hawaii, where they finally unraveled the mystery. Perhaps it's one of the most enlightening discoveries NASA will ever make on the subject of bizarre cosmic phenomena of black holes. Not to mention, we're glancing into the prehistoric notions of our universe and how it came into existence. The players? Not one, not two, but three massive black holes engaged in a game of galactic billiards unlike any other. It all began when two galaxies merged, bringing together their respective supermassive black holes at their centers. But that was just the beginning. A third galaxy entered the fray, its own supermassive black hole adding to the already chaotic and unstable configuration. It was like a cosmic version of the old saying, two's company, three's a crowd. In this crowded space, the forces at play were too much to bear. The result? A runaway black hole weighing as much as 20 million suns, tearing through the universe, leaving behind a trail of newborn stars in its wake. But for Earth, the problem doesn't end here. In a startling revelation, a team of international astronomers has uncovered a galaxy that has defied all classification norms. PBC J2339, located a mind-boggling 657 million light-years away, has proven to be a giant amongst galaxies, stretching a staggering 4 million light-years across. Previously categorized as a radio galaxy, this mammoth space entity has now been deemed a giant radio galaxy with a blazar at its core. So, what's a radio galaxy, you may ask? It's a fascinating phenomenon where a galaxy emits giant regions of radio waves that extend far beyond its visible structure. These powerful radio lobes are fueled by jets emanating from its active galactic nucleus. But that's not all. It has a blazar at its core. Blazars, as we all know, are the stuff of legends. Active galactic nuclei with relativistic jets traveling close to the speed of light, made up of charged particles moving at velocities close to the speed of light. This jet is a force to be reckoned with, causing the emission of radiation across the entire electromagnetic spectrum, sending shock waves through the very fabric of space and time. These objects are so incredibly powerful that they could make even the bravest astronauts quiver in their space boots. And this blazar in PBC J2339 is not just any blazar. This active galactic nucleus, AGN, has a relativistic jet traveling at lightning-fast speeds, directed right towards us. What does this mean, you ask? Well, the emission from this blazar jet is off the charts, exceeding that of the rest of the galaxy by far. These high-intensity flares are so powerful that they have changed the galaxy's classification entirely. The enigmatic galaxy PBC J2339 has been the subject of intense scrutiny by a team of dedicated astronomers who used every tool at their disposal to uncover its secrets. Their arsenal included radio, optical, infrared, X-ray, ultraviolet, and gamma-ray telescopes spanning the entire electromagnetic spectrum. It's almost as if they were on a mission to crack some cosmic code. The data was collected from various sources, including the German 100mm radio telescope at Effelsberg, the Yale University 1.3M Smarts optical telescope, and the Penn State Neil Gorell's Swift Observatory. The team then used alerts, also known as the Automatic Learning for the Rapid Classification of Events project in Chile, which provided data from the Zwicky Transient Facility and the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System to compare the properties of PBC J2339 with other galaxies. After analyzing the data, the team came to a shocking conclusion. The bright blazar at the core of PBC J2339 is surrounded by two lobes in the outer regions of the jet, but these lobes are relics of past radioactivity and are no longer being fed by the emission from the nucleus. It's as if the galaxy has a dark secret buried in its past, and the AGN no longer drives the lobes as seen in typical radio galaxies. The mystery surrounding the drastic change in the direction of the jets in PBC J2339 has left the team of astronomers puzzled. Could it have been a cosmic prank, merged with another galaxy, or some sort of galactic midlife crisis? The team has yet to come up with a definitive answer. But here's where it gets dark. The researchers have uncovered something truly remarkable. The jet has changed direction, making a dramatic angle of up to 90 degrees. This once-in-a-lifetime event has seen the jet transform from being perpendicular to our line of sight to pointing directly towards us. And not just any jet, mind you, but one made of elemental charged particles moving at near light speeds. These particles dance around a magnetic field, causing radiation to be emitted across the entire electromagnetic spectrum. It's a sight to behold. In PBC J2339, the jet is believed to originate from or near the supermassive black hole at its center. That's right, we're talking about a black hole so massive it's creating a jet of charged particles that can be seen from millions of light-years away. With the jet directed straight at us, this active galactic nucleus can only be classified as a blazar, creating a mind-bending change in classification. Could this cataclysmic event have been caused by the collision of two galaxies? Astronomers have long debated whether the collision could force matter into the galactic nucleus and alter the direction of the jet. Perhaps one day, we will uncover the cosmic puzzle behind these powerful events. But it's not all bad news. These radio galaxies play a crucial role in understanding the mysteries of the universe. They give us a glimpse into the formation and evolution of galaxies and help us understand the incredible energy released by supermassive black holes. So while we may feel a sense of awe and fear when thinking about the cataclysmic events taking place in our universe, we should also be grateful for the insights and knowledge they provide us. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And remember, keep exploring the mysteries of the universe with us. Until next time, stay curious.